The Tellus Wheel, fully assembled. But how do we put it together? First off, pieces of blue tape are on the rear or should be facing the rear when we put this together. To start, we put the base and the vertical stand together. You will use the two carriage bolts marked STA. Put the black top one in the front hole and the silver top one in the back hole. He said back hole. Then lay the stand down and put on the nuts and tighten them with a 9/16 socket. You may then raise the stand and it should look something like this. Next, we put on the struts. The struts are marked AB, CD, EF, and GH. The stand is also marked. Match the A to A, and the B to B, and the C to C, and the D to D, and so forth. The EF and GH struts have carriage bolts. Use the carriage bolts marked strut. Once the struts are in place, you can see the blue tape is all facing the rear. And you should be able to turn the Tellus wheel around and slide it into place. Strap down that back stand to some kind of sturdy pole. Next, we get to put on the wheel itself. It will take two people, and just be careful sliding it in. Put it on, put the bolts on. Next, we have the black lights. You probably need a ladder to get up top, and it'll put a couple of screws in it. Next is the flapper stand. You put it on the side and screw in two little screws into the bottom. There's also a 2x2 black pole that's about 2 feet long. I attach this to the flapper stand and then attach it to the very back of the stand, and I can adjust how much the flapper gets hit when the wheel is spun. And there you have it, the Tellus wheel. Make sure you like and subscribe to Burning Man.